Imagine a time when humans are not just Earthlings but Martians as well. Can you envision it? Let's journey forward to 2050, where this concept isn't so far-fetched. It's a time when humanity has managed to extend its reach beyond the confines of our blue planet, all the way to the rusty red plains of Mars. This is not science fiction, but a very real possibility that scientists, engineers, and space agencies are diligently working towards. Why Mars, you might ask? Well, Mars offers a unique combination of opportunities that make it an enticing prospect for colonization. It's close enough to reach with current technology, yet far enough to test our mettle as a spacefaring species. One of the primary reasons for this interest is resource utilization. Mars has abundant resources, from water ice that can be converted into drinking water, oxygen, and rocket fuel, to minerals that can be used to manufacture tools and construction materials. Establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars could open up a whole new world of possibilities for resource exploration and utilization. Scientific research is another driving force behind the Mars colonization initiative. The Red Planet holds secrets about the early solar system, the potential for life beyond Earth, and could provide insights into our own planet's past and future. By setting up a permanent outpost, we can conduct long-term studies that are not feasible with mere robotic explorers. And let's not forget about the survival of our species. While it may sound like a plot from a dystopian novel, having a backup plan for humanity in the event of a catastrophic event on Earth is a serious consideration. Mars colonization represents a lifeboat, a second home in the cosmos where humanity can continue to grow and thrive. The journey to make this vision a reality has already begun, and it's a thrilling saga to behold. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, we're not just looking at a potential new home, but a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the insatiable quest for knowledge. Welcome to the future of humanity. The first steps towards Mars colonization were not taken on the Red Planet, but here on Earth. To begin our journey to Mars, we first had to conquer numerous challenges right here at home. One of the initial stages was developing technologies capable of withstanding the harsh realities of space travel. These technologies needed to be robust enough to endure the rigors of a journey spanning millions of miles, and flexible enough to adapt to the unpredictable scenarios that space travel invariably presents. Next, we had to prepare for survival on Mars. This meant creating life-supporting systems that could operate in Mars's harsh environment. We had to devise ways to generate breathable air, potable water, and sustainable food sources. We also needed to develop protective gear and habitats that could withstand Mars' extreme temperatures, its thin atmosphere, and its radiation levels, which are far higher than those on Earth. But before we could do any of this, we needed a deeper understanding of Mars itself. That's where the Mars rovers came in. These robotic emissaries, with names like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, were our eyes and ears on the Martian surface. The rovers' primary mission was to gather vital information about the planet's environment and resources. They analyzed the Martian soil and rocks for signs of past or present life. They measured radiation levels, temperature, and atmospheric conditions. They even searched for subsurface water, a crucial resource for any future human settlers. Through the rovers, we learned that Mars is a world of stark beauty, with towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and vast deserts. But it's also a world of extreme challenges, from freezing temperatures to dust storms that can cover the entire planet. Yet, despite these challenges, the data gathered by the rovers has been invaluable in helping us prepare for the human colonization of Mars. We've used their findings to refine our technologies, to plan our missions, and to dream of a future where humans can live and thrive on the Red Planet. These first steps on Earth have paved the way for the next big leap, landing humans on Mars. The first human footprints on Mars will mark a major milestone in our journey. Just picture that moment, the first boot pressing into the reddish soil, forever imprinting our presence on a world that has, for so long, remained out of our reach. But what does it mean to send humans to Mars? What are the challenges we face, and how are we preparing to conquer them? The journey to Mars is not a casual jaunt. It's an arduous voyage stretching over 33 million miles. For a round trip, astronauts will spend close to 3 years in space. This prolonged exposure to microgravity could result in bone and muscle loss, vision changes, and other physical ailments. But we're not heading into this blind. With the knowledge gained from decades of space exploration, we're developing countermeasures. Advanced exercise equipment, nutritional supplements, and possibly even artificial gravity technology are all part of the plan to keep our pioneers healthy and strong. But the challenges are not merely physical. The psychological toll of this journey is equally daunting. Imagine being confined in a small space for months on end, millions of miles away from home, with only a small crew for company. It's a test of mental fortitude. To prepare, astronauts undergo rigorous psychological training, learning techniques to cope with isolation, stress, and interpersonal conflicts. And once we get there, the task doesn't end. We must establish a sustainable habitat on Mars. We're exploring technologies to extract water from the Martian soil, to grow food on the red planet, and to generate energy from its thin, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. Yes, the challenges are immense, but so too is our resolve. We're not just planning a visit to Mars, we're planning to stay, to live, and to thrive. We're leveraging every bit of our ingenuity, our courage, and our spirit of exploration to make this dream a reality. Meeting these challenges head-on, we stand on the cusp of making life on Mars a reality. And when that first boot presses into the Martian soil, it will be more than just a footprint. It will be the symbol of our unyielding determination to push the boundaries of what's possible. Fast forward to 2050, and what might the Mars colony look like? Let's take a moment to envision it. Mars in 2050 could be a bustling hub of human activity, a self-sustaining colony where our species has made a second home. Through advancements in technology, infrastructure, and resource utilization, we've made life on the red planet possible and even comfortable. Picture this: sleek, domed structures dotting the Martian landscape. These are not just mere living quarters, but entire ecosystems designed to sustain human life. Inside, you'd find plants and crops growing, recycling the air and providing fresh produce. Outside, solar arrays and wind turbines harness the power of the Martian environment, providing renewable energy for the colony. Imagine, instead of the bulky spacesuits we see today, lighter, more flexible suits designed with advanced materials, enabling us to move freely on the Martian surface. These suits not only protect us from radiation but also recycle our body's waste into drinkable water and breathable air. Picture a network of underground tunnels connecting various parts of the colony, providing safe and efficient transportation. Automated rovers no longer just for exploration, but for transporting goods and people across the Martian terrain. Then there's the technology. Advanced 3D printers that use Martian soil to build everything from tools to habitats. Artificial intelligence assisting us in our daily tasks and managing the colony's systems. Biotechnology, enabling us to adapt our bodies to the Martian environment and perhaps even terraform Mars to make it more Earth-like. And it's not just about survival, it's about thriving. Schools, hospitals, recreational centers, even art and music, bringing a touch of Earth to Mars and creating a vibrant, diverse culture. That's the vision for Mars in 2050. It's ambitious and challenging, but it's within our reach. We have the technology, the knowledge, and the will to make it a reality. And when we do, it will forever change our place in the universe. By 2050, Mars could be our second home, forever changing the way we see ourselves in the universe. Mars colonization is not just about the red planet, it's about us, humanity. Picture this: a civilization not bound by the limitations of one planet, but expanding across the cosmos. It's a vision that's as grand as it is ambitious. And Mars colonization is the first step towards turning that vision into reality. The colonization of Mars brings with it a host of long-term benefits, each with profound implications for humanity. First, there are the technological advancements. The challenges posed by Mars colonization have led to numerous breakthroughs in fields as diverse as space travel, robotics, and life support systems. These advancements aren't confined to Mars. They ripple back to Earth, transforming industries and improving lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Then, there's the increased knowledge about the universe. Mars colonization has provided us with a unique perspective on our own planet and its place in the cosmos. It has deepened our understanding of planetary science, the history of the solar system, and perhaps most importantly, the potential for life beyond Earth. But perhaps the most profound implication of Mars colonization is its unifying effect on humanity. It's a mission that transcends national boundaries, cultural differences, and ideological divides. It's a common goal that unites us, a testament to what we, as a species, can achieve when we work together. The legacy of Mars colonization is not just about the red planet or the technology or even the knowledge. It's about us. It's about our capacity for innovation, our thirst for discovery, and our ability to come together in pursuit of a common goal. So as we look to the future, we can see the red planet not just as a distant world, but as a symbol of human ingenuity, ambition, and our unending quest for knowledge. As we step into the future, Mars colonization stands as a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and our unending quest for knowledge.